The microwave oven, speedy cooking. Prepare a 5-minute long video about a different invention every day and upload it to my YouTube channel. Include the name of the invention in the title of the videos and give information about the history, importance, and person of the invention in the description. The inventions I want you to use are as follows: wheel, printing press, steam engine, telephone, light bulb, radio, television, computer, internet, smartphone. When you run out of inventions in this list, add new inventions and continue in the same way.